So I randomly decided to go hiking. More of it, I wanted to take a walk, but then I took this route that goes up this little mountain thing, and yeah, I live down there. Ha ha. Listen to ha. Basically, this year I decided to do all the things that make me happy. Well, I started last year actually, and it's been going really, really great. I'm going to be showing a few snaps here and there of stuff I've done, and I'm really happy. I am extremely happy. Sorry that the camera quality won't be so great. I don't have a great phone and it's now dark. Okay, if I keep going this route, I'm gonna suffer because I'm not wearing anything that covers my legs. Oh, this is so interesting. One thing about me, I'll pick the best places to stay. Because look at me with the whole hiking trail. A whole hiking trail in Fairview. Hey. Ngiyafisa ukuthi silabantu abahlala bahamba suke baya. That's a little fruity thing. Anginesidingo sothando. Hey. Okay, let's go. Level ground. Here they make fire. Hey, it's getting serious. I discover something hectic here. I hope it makes me rich because tired of Peter. See, all my life I've got to fight. But yo guys, the views. Okay, and that's where it ends. I think I took like one or two pictures. Yes. Bye.